Hey, what's up everybody? This video is how to fix some license plate threads. I'm working on a Toyota. So basically these bolts will supposed to just screw into here, but a lot of times what people do to mess up these threads is they will put a screw. So there's generally two types of license plate bolts. There's this one, it's like a screw type, and there's this one. This one's a more of a bolt. So people run these screws into the bolt threads and mess up the threads all the time. Here's a Ford Fusion, and as you can see, these ones take the screw type. It's kind of like a little thing where that accepts a screw, but Toyotas use bolts, and so all the time people mess up the threads. We're just going to clean up the threads with this tap and die. You could clean up the license plate bolt with one of these, but I recommend just getting a new one. They're almost not even worth the effort to clean up, but you can. Here's the size. And to fix the threads on the car, you go ahead and get you one of these. Here's the size, the pitch of the thread, and basically I got this set at Harbor Freight. Go ahead and just get this going. And yeah, you just run this in, clean up the threads. Or basically what you want to do is you just want to go in a little bit, and then just back up a little bit, and then go in further, and go all the way in until you could pretty much screw this thing in easily. It doesn't take that much. Just be patient with it and go slow, and then that's how you clean up the threads. You might feel some resistance. That's like the spot that needs the rethreading. And yeah, so once it's all cleaned out with that, just get yourself the bolt here, these little ones, and you should be able to just run it in with no problems. Again, like I said, you could clean the bolts up with one of these if you if you so wanted, but I mean, these are very common sized bolts. You could probably just find some around your garage or just anywhere. But yeah, that's how to clean these up. And that's why a lot of times these will be messed up and people will have the wrong screws in here. Alright, thanks for watching.